Alright, hello, welcome to the weather update. It's around 4 p.m. on May 4th, 2019. It is getting kind of brutal out there. So, we're going to take a look at some of these temperatures here because it's not pleasant. Well, I mean, the temperatures are not the issue, it's very humid out there. So, temperatures have risen into the mid 60s, maybe some 70-degree readings. Right on the South Shore, it's a little cooler, but you got to be right on the South Shore where it's in the low 60s, making our way further east. You see it's warm out there too. You have to go a little further out east for this is probably where the back door front is probably right over here, stuck over here. If you take a look, you can see it's cooler over here too. So, and as we go to the off to the west, it'll get even warmer. So let's take a look at this. So out off the west, city looks like it's around 70, and of course we go to the hot state of New Jersey. Let's see what they have. Oh, we already have some mid 70s on the map. Trying to move the map here. um, yeah, mid 70s on the map here, for the most part. Yeah, so yeah, there's some mid 70s. Though right on the water, Tom's River looks like there is some kind of a sea breeze. So, but it's not. It doesn't make it very far inland. You go inland. Ooh, temperature's near 80 in certain areas. So yeah, it's kind of brutal over there. We'll take a look at that on Ventus Sky as well. You will see Long Island in this mid 60s. Sorry, my allergies have been acting up really badly. Um, this is a little off. So, but this is not the real problem, of course. The real problem is the humidity. So we'll go to the dew points. Switch it to dew points. Here we go. And you will see dew points in the mid 60s. Some slightly lower dew points over the water, but dew points in the mid 60s, and unfortunately, the dew points in the mid 60s are up our way too. So we go up to our way, you'll see the dew points are also in the mid 60s or low 60s dew points. It's humid out there, you know. It's humid. It's murky. It's the sun is shining through a hazy deck of clouds, but it's still murky and disgusting out there. Looking at the satellite, you can see here all the clouds. And you have this little disturbance over here, which almost looks like a tropical disturbance, which wouldn't surprise me. It's not being classified as that by the. I'll have to keep my eye on that. All right, so let's take some temperature readings across the area. Um, so we'll first look at Farmingdale. 61, dew point 58. I know we looked at the map, but I want to look at the official sites. West Hampton, a little cooler, 57, dew point 56. Overcast. Look at New York City. See, it's much warmer there, 70 degrees, dew point 59. And we'll go to the hot place known as Tom's River. 69, dew point 60. So let's look at the models. Let's see what's going to be happening with the temperatures tonight, and of course, any showers that might pop up. Right now, there really isn't much on the radar, so I'm not even going to look at it. But see, the warmth today goes away tomorrow. We get backdoor front again. Same old story. Backdoor front will be nice and cool tomorrow, but it'll be cloudy. Well, it'll still be it's not going to be a nice sky. And then for Monday we warm up again, but it'll be drier. So, oh boy, Tuesday could be a little hot. And then I'm not going to go beyond that. I'm just talking about the immediate weekend and the next couple of days. Let's take a look at the dew points on here. So you see the humidity on here. This is underestimating the humidity a little bit. Tomorrow it comes down a little bit, not drastically, but it comes down a little bit. But you can see we have a very strong northeast wind, and that's because of that storm we have to talk about. So, and then that moves away, and then we have lower dew points on Monday and Tuesday. So, let's now look at the NAM, and let's look at precipitation. Yeah, we can use this one. I'll use this one, so I can show you that storm. Alright, so, well, this is just the, alright, this is the 18. It doesn't go far enough. We have to use the 12Z. Um, Alright, so here is that storm. Here comes the rain. We're going to be dealing with rain for a good part of Sunday. It looks like a good part of Sunday. It could be raining all day long. And there's that storm. You can see it right there. Not a tropical system. It almost looks like it on the satellite, but there's that storm, and then we get rid of that. So, how much rain are we going to get from all this? Well, it looks like quite a bit, so let's take a look and see. Total accumulated precip. Oh, yeah. It's going to be a soaker tomorrow. According to the NAM, we're going to get well over an inch to possibly maybe even some areas 2 inches. Lovely. Lovely. So, more rain. This is, we've been in a very wet pattern. Alright, so look at the clouds, see if we can get rid of the clouds for Monday. It won't be a clear day. The sun will be out, but it won't be a clear day. And we can look at the GFS, and it'll show the same thing. GFS would be a little more encouragement, maybe earlier on, maybe a little more clearer. Tuesday, we'll probably have some cirrus around. There's that front. And we're stuck in the clouds again for a while until maybe the weekend. Maybe we get out. Maybe we get out. This pattern just continues. It's very dreary. It's very depressing. It's not the kind of spring weather you want, but it seems like these are the kind of springs we keep getting now due to climate change. It's just humid and wet all the time. This is also bad because the Pine Barrens need wildfires, and it's too wet to have wildfires in the Pine Barrens. So, it kind of hurts the Pine Barrens when it's this wet as well. Not supposed to be like this. So, yep. Kind of a crappy forecast you could see here. Well, this is for Tom's River, but you can see chance of showers. So we get back into the same pattern again. After 2 dry days, Monday and Tuesday, we're back in the same pattern again, which is ridiculous. This pattern just doesn't end. It just doesn't end. I know I'm ranting about it, but I'm tired of this. I'm really tired of this. Meanwhile, if we go and we look at Flagstaff, let's make ourselves jealous here. If we look at Flagstaff, I bet you their weather will be beautiful. They have a couple of days where a chance of showers, but it's beautiful today. 66, dew point 23, clear skies. Tomorrow, 71. This is the kind of spring weather we're supposed to be having. But it looks like they have a couple of days where there's a chance of rain too. But they're doing better than we are right now. I tell you, they're doing better than we are. So I actually do want to look a little closer at this disturbance here. So just give me a moment. Alright, so I just want to show you this area right here. So this is this it looks like a tropical system trying to get going here. Already, I'm telling you, we're going to see an early start to the tropical season in the Atlantic, in this area right here. Probably won't be big Cape Verde, but there's going to be a lot of activity, I believe, in this area here in the Western Atlantic. I don't think that sometimes they do list some storms here. As far as storms, let's go. I think I'm looking at the current storms. Yeah. No, they don't really have anything. They do have invest. Let's see what this is. This is not the one we're looking at. So yeah, I guess they don't really have it listed here. All right, so that wraps up this weather update. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we get to have some decent spring weather eventually. But it doesn't really look like there's any change to this crappy pattern we're in right now. Have a good night, or should I say, have a good day. The weather's messed me up. Sorry. Take it easy.